Meet Dan. As a fleet manager, Dan is responsible for authorizing and logging all service work performed on company vehicles and ensuring payments to shops are processed promptly. But Dan has a problem. He spends most of his day and some evenings manually entering service records, facilitating calls with shops to approve service, and managing bills from numerous vendors. Not to mention, his drivers spend their precious time waiting around for repair work to be approved and completed when they should be out on the road. Dan is looking for a more efficient way to manage service for his fleet. Luckily, Dan found Fleetio. Fleetio is the all-in-one fleet management software that completely eliminates manual data entry of service records and automates the entire maintenance process. With Fleetio, Dan saves a lot of time by automatically recording service data in Fleetio from the repair shop's point of sale, electronically approving work, and paying one consolidated bill, including all his fleet's maintenance vendors. Here's how it works. When a fleet driver visits his local maintenance shop, the shop creates a repair order and submits it for electronic approval. Dan can manually approve the repair or set up automatic approval workflows for everyday service. Then the service data is stored in Fleetio and techs can get started on work, avoiding lengthy vehicle downtime and manual data entry. From there, repair orders from all the shops Dan's fleet drivers visit are consolidated into a single monthly bill, and Dan spends much less time reconciling vendor invoices. Dan even saves money on service with exclusive discounts from Fleetio's large network of maintenance providers. Now, instead of spending his day on the phone and sifting through piles of invoices, Dan can focus on getting the most out of his fleet. Get in touch today to learn how Fleetio can automate maintenance management for your fleet.